Hey guys, and welcome back to Grounds Family Farm. Today we are about to go have some fun with the girls, and they don't even know it.
Nope.
For several weeks we have been planning this trip, and we have not told them that we're going anywhere. We've just kind of been hem-hawing around about what we're doing this weekend, but we are going to take them to go meet some friends and have a blast.
So come along with us and see the surprise with them.
This is cool. Look, there's a Disney store.
Oh, that's cool. Little carousel. This place is huge. Tons of people too. It's kind of crowded.
Look at the aquarium.
Yep. Here's the aquarium sign. Yep. Legoland Discovery Center. That's kind of like San Antonio. This place is huge. What?
What are y'all doing here?
What are y'all doing here is the question.
My buddy.
That's right. How are you, Casey?
Oh, you saw the shirt? She's looking for the cameras. Is that how you saw him?
And I looked down and I saw that one.
That's awesome. Oh, man.
Well, did we trick y'all?
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to know if you really got tricked or you're pretending.
Hello.
I know one thing, y'all are some smart little girls. Because y'all be like, how many more days? How many more days?
I finally.
You know that kid turned the place. What do you call Twisters? No, the place where we got our shirt. This
Children's place?
Kids play?
Yeah, you tricked us. I knew that.
How?
Cause when you said children's place, you got on your phone to text him.
Busted.
Detective there.
Yeah, they started asking too many questions, so to get them to not, I told them, I was like, we're really surprising Mommy with a spa day, but don't tell her, so we can't talk anything about it. And that kept them quiet the whole way. Finally, we had to stop at the gas station, get gas, and Abby finally realized we were in Texas, because they didn't even know that.
That's awesome. Y'all girls been having fun?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Hey girls! Izzy!
What are you doing, Addison? She's going with the horse. He's riding the bull.
Sounds very much like
What do y'all want to do?
I want to check out.
I want to do my first time flipping.
Oh, over there? We ain't doing none of that. But we are going to go to Legoland. Legoland?
We gotta go in down here.
Alright.
We'll have some fun.
Isn't there rides here?
Yep.
See? There's rides.
Okay, so we surprised the kids by bringing them to Legoland. They're pretty surprised because there was a jump thing that was right outside in the mall hallway for it. They thought we were going to that, but we're taking them to Legoland, and after this we're going to the Sea Life Aquarium.
Do you like seeing all the Legos? Look at this cool place.
No idea.
this out. The whole Lego city.
She's controlling the crane.
Oh, that's cool. Abby the crane operator. Oh, you do it too? Pretty neat.
There's somebody in that barrel.
Yeah. Yep, that's what we're gonna be.
You can control the horsey.
Yeah.
At the rodeo. Let's go.
Brandon Eddy is going on his first flight
That's right.
in the metaverse.
Oh,
They may never get a real one.
That was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. There we go.
Far side. Ready? I'll have y'all on about a minute 30.
One to the car.
Faster, Addison, faster. Oh, had a crash. Uh-oh. Wave your hands. Get him, Braylon, get him.
Well, you gotta learn how to drive first. Stay on the road.
Izzy, you better hurry. Layton's right behind you. Layton's gonna catch you. Go, go, go.
Oh, there is a shark.
Where? Where's the shark?
Just a second. He's coming right there in the back, right there.
No.
Right there.
No.
Over here now.
135 pounds.
It says take it
Take it to the X-ray station. Okay, now you're at the X-ray station.
Let's go to the racing track then.
Okay, now we gotta go release her.
Oh, baby. All the way from the sharks?
Y'all see that crab? Hey, y'all see that crab right there? There's a crab on the ground.
Oh, wow.
Boom, shark. And another shark.
Are you scared?
No. I'm terrified. Oh no. You got this, Abby. Don't. You got this.
Can you guys see in front of you?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cute. I'm in the Bahamas, baby. Abby, you got this.
What's that? That's way too big to be real. Can you guys hurry back up top? Oh no. Okay, I see you. The sharks are leaving. That's good. Wait, what's that? That's way too big to be real. Can you guys hurry back up top? Oh no. Oh my. Is that a giant squid? Very unlikely to see a giant squid at these depths. Although, legend has it that a squid-like sea monster monster named Luska lives in the deep blue holes and sea caves of the Bahamas. Look at the size of that thing. This guy is said to have razor.
They're all in the hurricane simulator.
Here it goes.
Oh, I hear it.
It's getting ready.
Hurricane simulator. We are now at the candy shack. Everybody's loading up their bag. Brandon's got the biggest one.
No,
He's really paying attention. Okay, what do y'all want? A giant fried egg? Oh, or you want the little gummy egg?
Big.
all right, now it's time for big guy to have.
You only get a quarter pound.
I'll move mine up half pound.
Yeah, that's why I'm getting theirs first, and I'll go through and get what I want. And I guess Kimberly too.
Look. Brandon, I got that.
Oh, you did?
I guess. Okay, so yesterday we got done at the mall, went to Legoland, the aquarium, finished up all that, checked out of our first hotel, and now we're fixing to head to Great Wolf Lodge. Lots of fun in store from here on out.
All right, guys, what do we see?
Great Wolf Lodge.
There it is, our home for the next 2 days. Okay, so we're walking up to Great Wolf Lodge. We're fixing to show you some of the outside and how it looks. We're gonna have a day full of fun, and there's a closer parking spot that we missed. So we actually went and got that closer parking spot, but here's what it looks like from the outside. The girls are excited. Now we just gotta find our buddies, the Eddies, and get inside. Where? At the kiosk? Yeah. We just finished our first afternoon at the water park. Girls had a blast. They did mostly slides. Izzy went down a couple of slides. She went down this big yellow one and also a green one. And then Abby, so she did an orange one and a yellow one. But the girls had a lot of fun. There's this yellow one here, both girls went down. The orange one that goes out there, Abby went down, and the really green one up tall, Izzy went down. But a lot of fun. Izzy was scared at first, but got over her fears and went down. She really wants to do the green and white one over there, but she got a little scared before we did it, but maybe we'll try it again tomorrow. Oh, what all did you do?
I went on that thing 2 times. I went on the orange. The orange one was the last thing I gotta do.
You like it?
Yeah, I gotta do 2 first things. I'm recording on for Tier 1.
Oh yeah, it is.
Whoa, I don't like this.
Okay, so we're at Great Wolf Lodge. They're having a dance party, and all of a sudden we see flashing lights pull up to the front door. We get out here and we see that the ambulance and the fire department, I guess the fire department, have come out. Evidently somebody's had some sort of medical issue. They got on the elevators, went up to the 7th or 8th floor, and currently in a room. So, not sure what's going on, but quite a bit of excitement here at the Great Wolf Lodge.
That smells good. This place has changed a lot since we were here. The restaurant is huge now, but I don't know that it's buffet anymore. Maybe, but...
Habs, go first. Say, I'm here to house my wolf ears.
They want to howl, but they're scared to howl.
It's not that scary.
All right, go ahead.
But you, who's the
First one. Good. You gonna do the
Do
mouth?
it again. I didn't get that.
All right, Abby did it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there you go.
I did.
Okay, Layton, you got to howl though.
Lay in.
You should have done it with me. Yeah.
That was a good one.
Now, Great Wolf storyteller, what happens next? I'm glad you asked, Vera. The Frogmans explained to the pack.
Alright guys, next class in 3, 2, 1. Swoosh!
Main seating. Jared, where are we?
That's a good question.
This was the home of the Frogmans
Okay, so we're down in the arcade of Great Wolf Lodge. The girls are having a blast. Abby's fixing to spin the wheel and see what she gets.
That was almost a big bonus. Well, at least you got yourself 4 tickets, though.
Wow, 2 for the price of 1.
Oh, that happened to me in these sharks.
Roll gets the street bonus. Well, that's the highest value.
And every good vacation must include a stop at Buc-ee's. So that's what we're fixing to hit up and see what we can find. Spiky things.
Yeah, like on top of the lucky thing, the little points.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they have it on there.
It's like, I don't know, fur maybe? Hang on, there they are. There they are, there they are. Look, we ran into some celebrities. Okay, so we just finished up our 2 days at Great Wolf Lodge. Had a lot of fun, got a lot of footage. Girls had a blast in the water park, the arcade. We all had a lot of fun. It was a lot of walking because the elevators here are kind of, I don't know.
Always packed.
Always packed. So we took the stairs a lot of times.
Yeah.
So we packed up. We were here with Brandon and Stephanie. They took a lot of footage too. So if you want to see the whole trip or a lot of different parts of the trip, make sure to go over to their channels, Eddy Family Farm and Life on the Eddy Family Farm, and you'll get to see a lot more of our vacation, how it went. But it was a blast. Sad that it's done, but it's time to get back to the farm and get back to work. So we'll catch you next time on Grounds Family Farm. Bye.
Bye, guys.